What's up, YouTubians? Gary of VW Jawbreaker. Welcome back to another excellent episode today. We're at an undisclosed location where I can't tell you exactly where we're at. A little bit of secrets behind me. But we're going on a special trip. Levi and I actually camped out here last night, hung out, so we're a little closer to our destination this morning on the other side of Florida. Yeah, we're on the West Coast, guys. Here's why we're here. You ever heard of Demon Motorsports? You haven't? I'll answer that for you. You need to know about them. We're getting ready to head over to his shop and check out what he's been working on for the last 16 months. You're gonna want to watch this. Oh look, there's Ryan with Demon Motorsports. How's it going, man? What's up? So, tell me, Ryan, tell me about Demon Motorsports. What do you do?
We build, well, we fabricate suspension parts mainly, but we design the hydraulic kit for Volkswagens that uses hydraulic cylinders with twisted torsion bars in the middle, so it rides like stock. It goes up and down, and the spring rate doesn't change.
So that's like the hydraulic buses that we saw over here just a little bit ago. Yep. That's what you design. Yeah. That's what you specialize in.
Yeah. Now the shop is full of them. So
yeah, right now they're everywhere. Yeah. So why'd you call us out here today? What's going on?
Today the Winnie is set on the ground.
Winnie's going on the ground. Did you put hydraulics on this thing?
I did.
You did.
I've been working on this for a year and 2 months now.
A year and 2 months.
A year and 2 months.
I've been following the whole time. I'm not playing stupid.
And I'm really excited. It's been a ton of work, and it's gonna be crazy because the rear has, it's 23 inches to get the tire to the ground, and I have at least 3 more inches of travel after
Holy
that.
cow.
So I will be able to lift this thing off the jack stands in the rear. The front is 15.5 inches, so that tire's all the way down. But that's how high it'll go. Back up to there, and it'll set the body on the ground. So,
jeez.
We're talking, this is gonna go from that height down.
Yeah. Dude, can you take me inside and show me the inner workings real quick? I'd love to see. I mean, we've seen it on video, but you know, it's one thing to see on video, it's another thing to see in person.
Watch your step, because I had to cut it off.
You had to cut it off, because if not, it'll sit crooked on the ground.
Right, we can't have that, but
yep.
There it is. It's like designed after like trophy truck suspension.
Yeah.
This is where I came up. I mean, I just copied everything I could off of
this. Is insane. If you guys have not seen any of this, you need to go check out Rob Stapleton's channel and seriously see all the killer fabrication that goes into this. Because just in the front alone, yeah, just in the front alone, I mean, you had to raise the engine.
This is 40 hours to make this piece. Just that part, not put it in, just to make that part.
Yeah.
And the A-arms here are equal length, front to back, or like side to side, I mean.
Yep.
So there's no camber change all the way up and down.
That is awesome.
So it goes up through that whole cycle without moving, but that's why they're so wide, so that it can be long enough to get 15.5 inches of travel in it.
Yep. How high up did you have to raise? You had to raise the engine, right?
I raised this engine, and I made different mounts and stuff. I think it was about 4.5 inches.
So just to do this, you had to raise the engine 4.5 inches.
Well, that was so the oil pan wouldn't be hitting the ground.
Well, it give it a nice teeter.
But now I got a Hemi for it, so I'm gonna take this whole motor and tranny, everything, and it's coming out. But
perfect.
Put a Hemi in it. So
perfect, man. I'm looking forward to the big moment here coming up. I appreciate it, dude.
when he jumps the gun. He just wants to. We've got to shoot a scene for our video, and he just wants to just do it. You know, well, I want to wait.
Stop standing around, Rob. Get your camera. Let's get to work.
Stand right there. You wait.
This is Class A buffoonery.
My arm's gonna fall off.
My arm's gonna fall. Why don't you put it down?
Because it's dirty down there.
It's dirty down there.
Sticking out, but I'll just put the back for today. Look at that. Oh, professional.
Shoulder in the way.
Sorry, I'm gonna get out.
Get out of the way.
Can't you do this somewhere else? How's it looking, boss? What do you think?
You're looking really good.
Yeah?
I have to lower the rear end to the ground before I can hook up the pump, because otherwise I'm gonna hit the hydraulics and it's just snap that winch in half.
Yeah, that would be bad.
So we're gonna lower the axle down right now. The only reason I put that winch in here is because you can't put a jack under that would lift it up that high. You know?
Yeah, because that's got how many inches of travel?
Right, just from there to the ground is 23 inches, but there's more cylinder stroke than that. So.
Exactly, and a normal floor jack ain't gonna cut it.
No. That's that.
So in theory, he should be able to lift this up off the jack stands.
It's been a lot of work, but it's really cool. I'm still pumped about it. That's it.
So right now you're just cycling it to get some fluid in it?
Putting the fluid up into the cylinders, yeah, so that way I can sit on the ground. These big long cylinders, particularly the rears, they have a bunch of air in it, so when on its way down, there's a chance that it could like act a little funky till we go up and down a few times.
That's all right. We want to see it cycle.
All right, so it's time. Everybody's here. Everybody here? Yeah! He's going on the ground. Ryan is a little excited, to say the least.
It's gonna fall to the ground.
Whatever. So, hope it goes well.
Right.
Let's do it.
What do you mean, hopefully it will go well?
I like that attitude.
Always.
Yes, sir.
Oh, it's raining!
Plan on that, did you? It beat itself just a little. Windshield ought to work. It's curved.
The water's been there so long.
Turn the wipers on.
Well, I probably should holding it up.
Go to the back.
Oh yeah, it's already off the rear stands.
Lean forward. Yeah. Okay, let's lift it up a little bit just to make sure though. Oh! Why did you know?
Gotta raise that front up.
I get this.
Can I get you guys all to scream again real quick?
Hey!
All right, it's going.
That was weak.
Says the man who's not screaming.
Hey, I'm right here by the camera. I got a mic.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Okay, it's on. This thing's working. The steps get a lot easier.
It's getting closer to the ground.
Stand this way. Watch your toes. The camera.
Watch your toe. Oh, my bad. Uh-oh. What was that?
Man, that's looking good.
Oh, you left the cooler underneath there.
Weight difference.
Why did you do it at the bottom?
Yep, there went somebody's wrench.
Is that wrench?
That's that half inch.
No, that was the 10 mil.
I don't know what that was. Not trying to kill both.
Watch the cord by the door.
Put your fingers. Oh, I just stepped out and I was like, there's no step.
It's like normal-ish. Oh! Yeah! Dude, you got a Winnebago on the ground!
I saw it myself. It's not even my car. I'm sorry. It's I think I put myself in it.
Hell yeah, dude! Congrats! Woo! That is literally.
Be part of the excitement. I'm behind the camera. Ryan, Jawbreaker.
Oh. That's what I want to go see. I want to go see the inside.
I'm on in. You don't have to step up anymore.
Hold on.
Can you see over the top?
I cannot see over the top, but
You make it easier to watch.
hey guy. Hey guy.
Make it easier to wash, right?
God, that thing's awesome. It's ridiculous. It's insane. This is floor height right there. That's how far everything's sticking up. Absolutely amazing. And on your front. Golly.
Right?
Oh, man.
So now you're just topping off the front one because it's a small reservoir, right?
Yeah, you have to do it with the cylinders collapsed because all the fluid's out of them. They're not double acting cylinders, so they don't like take fluid in the back end.
Gotcha.
It's going up. So since
Gotcha.
since it's all the way down now, all the fluid is in the hoses in here.
Gotcha.
So now they'll be full. So if you were to fill this tank up with them out,
Yeah.
then when you lower it down, all the rest of the fluid goes in here and it just
Exactly.
makes a giant mess.
So now you'll be able to start cycling it here.
Yeah.
That's what we want to see too.
Same.
Yeah, man. Excellent work, Ryan.
Thanks, man. I'm so excited.
This is awesome.
It's a little sketchy.
It could be air. You know, you might have to go up a few times with it, man. You need to stay on the. You're gonna have a weight differential, man. Half the bus is heavier than the other. There could be a differential for that too, man. So, and it's gonna go to the fast lead first.
Which coffee cups finally fell?
Spare tires in there, buddy?
It's mainly doing it in the front, which
Is that where the leak is? You predicted a leak.
Yep. Stay there.
Weight on this side?
Yeah, hold up. If it tips over, jump out, okay? It's definitely the weight differential. Let's see here.
We got all the batteries, all the power units are on that side and everything.
Oh, that's true too, yeah.
All right.
I'm all, buddy.
The back doesn't seem to care too much. I don't know where that's out. Yeah.
It's out?
Well, you're leaning the pump way forward.
That's what it is.
Yeah.
Turn it around. You need a bigger reservoir there, buddy.
A wedge on the pump here to hold the thing up. Let's shock it up.
You just need to mount the pump in like some gyroscope.
Exactly.
Auto leveling. There you go.
That's all the way up.
Wow.
Woo. Ready to hop.
Right?
Ever seen that go down the road just like that?
Gasser style.
There's never been a stronger need for seatbelts.
Oops. Don't worry about that clank. That's normal.
Something just cracked? Yeah.
Make her hop, Ryan.
Next Oscar. All right, look, it's a stock Winnebago, right?
Yeah, sure. With hydraulics.
Oh, that's awesome.
Go to the campsite. Fall
There she
over.
goes. Roll out of the bed.
We're here, thunk.
That's only mildly the most frightening thing.
I know.
I know.
Like, how top heavy is it really? I think.
I mean, I've lifted the control arm, so I assume not very heavy.
I think flow dividers are definitely the next step before you play around with it too much.
Definitely.
With flow dividers, it will not do that. We've already tested this. All right, let's see what it looks like. You gotta get that Lambo screen door.
Well, guys, it went to ground. It cycled. Winnie is a success. Ryan did an awesome job. Rob did a great job doing whatever Rob does, and Lewis is awesome. So anyway, guys, appreciate you sticking in. Make sure you check out Rob Stapleton's channel. All the good Winnie stuff's on that channel. So guys,
Hey, there's some Volkswagen stuff too.
there is some Volkswagen stuff.
And more to come.
More to come? There better be. I'm holding you to it. VW Run 21. Hey. Oh yeah. All right, guys. Till the next time. Be good.